Hi, I am Firas Al-Sahin. I am the co-founder and design director of 4Space Design.
Hi, my name is Sadiq Ardakani. I'm the general manager of MK Interiors. We are fit-out contractors for high-end luxury finishes.
So the name of the concept is AI-ORB, and it's going to play as a gateway for index visitors to go through, like as a portal. And it's an innovative design and an immersive experience that's gonna let the design to interact with. And the main theme about this installation that it's inspired and it's been designed with the assistance of AI, artificial intelligence.
The massive idea and the beautiful design was the structure and how it will be held together. So we had a lot of drawings and a lot of structural calculations for how this spherical shape will be held together, and we found a solution and we're moving on it without changing a lot in the design, a little bit in the design, but massively kept the original concept design.
No, yeah, I really appreciate how Tarek and the team at MK, they really help us to take this orb and make it like cracked open to create this gateway. And we design it on three different layers. So we have the main structures,
exactly, yeah.
And we have the cladding from outside, and we have the greenery and the moss
from inside.
Inside.
Index is very important for people to keep on revisiting materials, revisiting suppliers, seeing what do they have new this year. Year after year, new products come out, new facilities or new solutions to certain issues or projects come up. So this is very important.